This video is dedicated to my friend Steve Sharon, Adventure Outdoors on YouTube, because I know how much he loves unboxings. But I'm actually excited. I've been wanting one of these angle grinders for a long time, so let's do an unboxing. I've got a manual printed on what looks to be like newspaper print, so friendly for the environment. And then inside, there it is. Hopefully, we have a wonderful relationship for many, many years. Let's just pull this open. And there it is. There it is. Good cord. Not sure, do people use these handles? Looks like the handle just kind of screws on there. But I'm telling you, working on these Honda bikes, there's many times that I've been like, God, just if I had an angle grinder, this would be really, really great. What's in here? There's something hiding in here. Oh, it's a little Allen wrench. So this must be how to tighten things or whatever. I'll figure it out, guys. But the shop now has a proper angle grinder. Got to grab some heads and stuff for it. But whatever, man. Feels kind of hefty. A DeWALT. And what it is, so yeah, here's the pack I bought. This is just a starter pack. Already got a message on Instagram about buying some higher quality stuff, so that's good. So what we've got here, where was the proper explanation on this thing? Where was it? It's the 9 amp version. Okay, so they sell one of a lower amperage. Here it is, 9 amps. 4.5 inch, 9 amps, 1.5 horsepower. The difference in the reviews on this online, and look at this, made in the USA with global materials, all right? So we're still supporting America, American workers, and all that good stuff. But the shop now has an angle grinder, and I'm excited about it, guys. That's what you get. This thing weighs a lot. I think this is a pretty quality tool. $79.99. I think it was 80 bucks. And we're good to go. These were actually 10 bucks, so I don't expect much out of those. But hey, guys, if you enjoy what we're doing here on the channel, be sure to subscribe. Follow along on Instagram. Follow along on Twitter. It's at BV Matson. I'm going to dig into this manual because, you know what? Knowledge is power. So let's dig in. DeWALT, we got an angle grinder in the shop. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.